how to turn on or turn off control charging vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here. So click on sound and vibration. Now here, so scroll down and click on system vibration. So you will see system vibration is here. So click on system vibration. So now here's the charging is here. So if you want to turn off charging, so turn off this button, you will see charging is turn off. So if you want to turn on charging, so turn on this button. So you will see charging is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off chargings from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off control charging vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.